dengan projek.
Minister A.L. Hegg, while speaking on the demand from students to remove the Vice-Chancellor of Nehu, mentioned that the BJP had met with students and some teachers to discuss concerns regarding the students' well-being. Hegg further noted that the opposition to the Vice-Chancellor was strong, prompting the BJP to escalate the issue to the central level, with the belief that it would be challenging for the Vice-Chancellor to continue in the role. However, he also mentioned that there had been recent developments from the central government, which appointed 2 pro-vice chancellors in Shillong and Tura. He stressed that the issue should be resolved swiftly to prevent further impact on the students.
Vice Chancellor mo. Hari nung ngataru dalam ada pengata tang ya don gatukan ni ki student lu lawan langkalang buat ki khasi student union buat ka Nehu student union like no ega kilong am ngingim kwa chu ya uniu pro vice lord bendang don dapo Nehu. Ila ada pekret halor jong tu ka report ru mereka ada ong ya gas dapo ki central leader jongi kepada nak parti BJP. Pakai decision dia mensiam lo ham keluar kena bukan efek ya ka larger interest jogi students.